Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and doing your studies. This is 8th lecture. Today our topic is grammar and subtopic is nouns. Students, if you have another grammar book, you have to do on your own grammar book. Nouns. The definition of the noun. A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Students, you have underlined the nouns in the following sentences. For example, Anita drew some funny cartoons in her painting class. In this sentence, the nouns are Anita, cartoons, and class. Basketball and cricket are Rehan's favorite games. In this sentence, the nouns are basketball, cricket, Rehan, and then games. Next is my friend keeps his 2 dogs in kennel. My friend and then dog and then kennel are the nouns you have to underline. You have underlined the nouns in all of these sentences. Students, you have any idea about the types of the noun? Yes, nouns are further divided into different types. The types of the noun are proper noun, common noun, then collective noun, compound noun, material nouns, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. These are the types of the nouns. Now we will teach about the types of the noun and their definitions and examples also. Nouns, types of the nouns. These are all the types of the nouns. Let's see. First one is common noun. Persons or things of the same kind are called common nouns. For example, girl, dog, country, class, men, women, schools are the examples of the common noun. Proper noun. Names of particular places or persons are called proper noun. For example, Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, Raja, Zain, Ahmed, Nida, Light School are the examples of the proper noun. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. जो प्रॉपर नाउन होते हैं ये हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. Collective noun. A collection or group of people or things of the same kind are called collective noun. For example, class, herd, army, crowd are the examples of the collective noun. Next is material noun. Names of materials or substances used for making things are called material nouns. For example, plastic, bronze, gold, diamond, silver, iron, and cotton are the examples of the material noun. Next is countable noun. The nouns that we can count. Things we can count using numbers. For example, 3, men, a car, or an idea are the examples of the countable noun. These may be singular or plural. We can use a और एन विद देम. ये सिंगुलर भी हो सकती हैं और प्लूरल भी हो सकती हैं. इनके साथ हम आ और एन यूज़ करते हैं. कंपाउंड नाउन्स. वर्ड्स are made up of 2 or more existing words are called compound nouns. For example, blackboard, washing machine, arm, chair, classroom, drawing room are the examples of the compound noun. And the last one is uncountable noun. The nouns that we cannot count. Things we cannot count using numbers. For example, oxygen, money, sand, rice, sugar, oil, milk are the examples of the uncountable nouns. They do not have plural form. इनकी कोई plural form नहीं होती. We do not use a और n with them, और इनके साथ हम a और n use नहीं कर सकते हैं. Common nouns can be further divided into concrete or abstract noun. Common noun further divide किए गए हैं concrete और abstract noun में. Concrete nouns are nouns which refer to things we can see, touch, or feel. For example, the girl took the dog for a walk. And abstract nouns are nouns which refers to things that we cannot touch or see. These can be the names of quality, state, or concept. For example, he never gave up his love for animals in spite of numerous hurdles. Pick out the nouns in the sentences below and say what kind they are. Students, you have to tell that these are the nouns and what kind they are. For example, first one is the ship along with its crew has been saved. Ship is common noun. Crewed also. Crewed is collective noun. And the next example is the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. The Mount Everest is proper noun. And next is fill in the blanks with the nouns formed the words given in brackets. You have to do this on your book. Next one is proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, and material noun. In these sentences, you have to find out the nouns and you have to write that in which class these nouns belong. For example, hello Rijas, let's go a restaurant and have some coffees. Rija is proper noun. You have to write here. Note down your homework, students. Reading, you have to pay reading page 1 to 7. If you have not this grammar book that I have taught you people today, you have to learn from your own book and pages, and you have to write the definition and the types of the nouns, and also you have to learn. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.